Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Jason, and today I'm going to be telling you what type of lights I have installed in my garage. I'm back at the old garage and I realized, wow, man, I spent a lot of time in this garage, which is going to be kind of sad when I rip apart all this flooring tiles and I move it on to the next garage, but that's actually going to be really cool, so I'll make a video about that too. Before I do that, I want to talk about the lights because a lot of people have been asking me what kind of lights I use. Now, these lights are LED and they came in a pack of 10. They are 5K Kelvin and 10,000 lumens, and they're super easy to route and wire up. It's pretty much plug and play. You just stick it up there, level it off, and align everything, and you pretty much install it. Now, you can be really bougie and get some cap covers like that, so you can hide some wires, or you could be really, really lazy like I did, and you could just wire them just like that. Now, I actually went through 5 or 6 different light fixtures and light bulbs before I actually committed to this system. But the reason why I like this one so much is because it was, pure white, 5K Kelvin, and it was just nice to have when you're detailing cars. Like, this car is super dirty. You can see like there's watermarks on the car, but you can definitely see it with these lights. And like I said, it took me a while to get these lights. I went through like Home Depot to get some different LED lights. I tried like different lighting online, and I even tried different light bulbs. But these are definitely my favorite, and I'll be installing them onto the new house, and I'll show you guys how I do that in another video. Now let's talk price point. When I bought these, they were $209. Since then, they actually got a lot cheaper. As of September 2023, you can buy these for $186. Yep, 10 8-feet LEDs. That's more than enough for most people. If you're wondering about the brand name, it's Barrina LEDs, and you can buy them straight from Amazon. Just check the description below. No, I'm not sponsored by Barrina. I just like their products, and I had them installed in the house for a year with no hiccups or issues. These lights are extremely bright, to the point where people have actually told me that it hurts their eyes being in the garage. And to me, it just helps out, especially when I'm working on cars. Now, you don't actually have to use all 10 lights, just so you know. You can use 8 lights, you can use 4 lights. It comes in a pack of 10, and that's how you can buy them, but don't feel like you need to use them all. In this current garage, it's a 2-car garage, I'm only using 8. Now let's talk about the bad things. I have a buddy who has the same lights installed in his garage, and a few of his LEDs actually went out. I want to say it's kind of like the luck of the draw, because I bought 3 of these packs and I haven't had any issues. So that's 30 LED lights with no issues. These lights are really bright, so blinding that it may or may not affect your photo and video recording settings. The LEDs shine at a high frequency, so you can adjust your frame rate and shutter speed to account for it. Other than that, in person, it's just really bright. If you're doing a lot of detailing in your garage, these lights can be so bright that it actually hides the shadows of the scratches, which makes it really challenging to detail white cars. I always had other specific lights for detailing, so this wasn't a really big issue for me. I'd say they're really great all-around work lights. I actually use these lights underneath cars too, so they're perfect for all you mechanics out there. If you thought this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.